best furry friends. Yes, I got 2 best furry friends mystery boxes. Oh yes, one has a little teal blue and one has a pinky teal. Pink, not teal, just pink. So let's open one of these bad boys and see what I got. I guess I opened them with the pink carrier. Oh yes. Oh yeah, and I was once seeing that this is a TV show for little kids. I just thought it was so cute. Have a little pet, and I could even put it on my bag, with a little hole there. So, and I even tried the game, just like some simple running game. Yeah, just a running game. And I just tried a couple levels or so. Got a couple of the BFFs, best furry friends. And it just looks like you always have your companion of a friend near you, like so. So I guess I'm going to as well. So we're going to see what I can get. So I can get that, or any of these ones, or any of these ones. So I have 2 options, and then we're going to see what I get and what nails are going to come about these. So we're just going to get the tab. Nope, it didn't rip fully right. Let me get that. Oh yes, oh yes. Now we're going to do the other side and rip it open. These aren't the greatest. These were about $4 each that I recall, so I spent 8 on 2. Okay, there we go. Opening this bad boy up. Here we are. Oh, that's so cool. The carrier actually looks like a full-on carrier. Open it up. Handle with care. BFF inside. Ooh. Not tape closed, is it? Nope. Opens just like so. Oh. Looks like I got some little blue one. Let's see here. Let's look at this here. It comes with a accessory as well. There's a handful that you can get. So let's see which one I got here. And here's, okay, silicone-y bag. There's the bag. And here she is. It looks like I got a blue unicorn. Is there a name for this one? Let's see. I got Jelly Stardust. Pegacorn. So I got a pegacorn, whatever that means. So I guess they're all jelly-ish consistency. This one I would really like to get. I think that one is Jelly Zara 3-Toed Sloth. Oh my gosh, the sloth is so cute. I think I saw the sloth when I watched the first episode. Saw a handful of them. Does she fit inside the bag? Yes, she does. There is the first one. Oh, cutie cuterstons. Now we're going to this one. This one is a teal. Or maybe it's just the colors are different. So we're going to get into this bad boy. These do not open satisfying fully. They rip twice. I don't know why. Well, these are really, really cheap. So I don't know if that's part of it. But that's okay. They just don't satisfy it. It's most of them. So here we go with this one. This one can be fully teal. No, this one's just the opposite of this. See? Opposite. Opposites attract, they say. Okay, it looks like I got one that is pink. I wonder what that means. So let's open up this with care. Ooh. I like the bag. Is it any of these ones? Nope. This one is orange. The bag kind of makes me think of watermelon, but it's not the full white colors of watermelon. Yeah! I got a cat! Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Oh, yes, I got an orange cat. Okay, that is awesome. Yes, yes, yes. How fitting. I love it that I got a cat because we have a cat. Not an orange cat, of course, a black cat. But, oh my gosh, a cat is so fitting. The bag is almost too big. So there we go. Is this different? Or is this going to be the same? So there must be more inside then. Yep, there's more inside. So I got the jelly. So I'm not sure what that means because I did get a jelly. And I did get a common. So the common one I got was the Tabby Cat Tropical Melon Bag. And this one comes with a jelly heart bag. And then there's the one I got down there. I'm not sure what the difference is between a jelly one and a common. I think it's just the texture. And the bags, yeah, the bag's definitely jelly. So I am not mad about this at all. How funny is it? As I just did some jelly nails, am I going to have to do a jelly accent because of this jelly of it all? I'm not going to do a full-on jelly nail as I don't want to, you know, pretty cute with the nice big eyes and all that. Maybe the unicorn. Maybe I could do catacorn kind of look to mix the two together. I'll do one jelly nail and then I'll do the rest non-jelly because I don't want to do another jelly set because I just did one. So I'm going to definitely, and it's not like I got all jelly anyway. So I'm going to do a partial jelly, one accent jelly on my set of nails. So those are the ones I got. I'll just put them back in their carriers. I'm going to put it in the bag as well. So I guess I'm going to put it in the carrier that it came with. This one came with the pink carrier lid. So I'm going to put her in there just like so. See? Oh, it's supposed to not come off like that. I can do it like this. Let me see if I can open it. Handle with care. So there we go. See? There's that. Oops, these come off really easily. And then I just kind of keep them protected inside of their thing. Why isn't it closing now? Okay, I will close that and we will get some nails done here of a slight jelliness to it all. So maybe a catacorn feeling to get a little bit of the vibes of this and the vibes of that because I haven't done some cat nails in a good while. So there we go. Nice. I'm just glad I got one of the cats, even if it's a orange tabby. This first color of a minty green, and then what I said, the jelly color. And as you can see, I'm just doing the tip, but I'm not doing a French. I'm doing a two-tone because this is pretty easy polish to kind of do a gradient in the middle. So I just kind of thinning it out there. And of course, I wanted to bring in some of that pink, so I just thought I'd make my thumb pink. So of course, I need to put a few more coats, especially of the two-toned jelly polishes from Hello Taco. Definitely needed to do that. And the other color, the green one, is Chi-Chi. See, I'm just kind of moving it around. Now I'm putting another coat of the Chi-Chi green. That's supposed to smell like watermelon. So, and there were little hearts with the one with the unicorn. So I thought I'd try that. But as you see, I shouldn't have used the actual brush. I'm trying again to see if I can make them smaller. I'm trying to make little hearts because I've done it before and it worked out really well. So now I'm just bringing in with the brush. But yeah, as you can see, they're not going to be like very noticeable. But I'm trying to go jelly on jelly because the whole look of the unicorn one was very jelly and all that. I still don't understand the concept of why there's a jelly, common, and rare, but that's beside the point. So here I am with the blue, and as you can see, the blue mixed with this purple is making like a dark purple jelly, which is totally fine. Now here is some yellow, and I'm using my line brush, and this is for the cat that I'm putting on the green nail. Yes, I'm using some yellow polish, but no, I'm still going to make the cat orange. I have an idea for that, so you will see. But this is what I decided to use for outline and coloring first. So it's still going to be kind of like the colors of a tabby and all that, to a point, at least the background of it. So there we go. I'm just kind of coloring the ears here, just doing it at the bottom of it with like that line, and then two triangles for the ears at either ends of the bottom of the nail. So I'm just coloring it in. And everything, using up the polish I have. It's a little tricky because I'm using a line brush to fill it in with, and not the brush from the bottle. And as you can see, I'm using another jelly polish that is like reddish, that I usually call tomato. And I thought this would help it pop more because of it being a jelly, so it's see-through. And I think that did a pretty good job. Now I'm just adding a little bit more on top. Now I'm trying to use the blue because I'm trying to bring that watermelon, but they made the watermelon partially blue. So I'm trying to make it have the outline that I was seeing on the little bag that it comes with, you know, the cat one comes with. So I'm trying to do the seeds. So it came up not too badly and everything. Just kind of pointing it down so it has like that little bigger part, and then it gets smaller. So it's like looks like the seeds of the watermelon. Yep. And now I'm getting into the face of the actual cat, doing the nose. And I thought I'd do like a little pink nose, make it really cute pink. And now I'm using the purple for the whiskers. Yes, I'm still bringing in the jelliness. It's very subdued whiskers, but it still gives the vibe, I would say. Now let's do the other side of the 3 whiskers of the cat and everything. And as I didn't like how that looked on the top, I just thought I'd color it in. So do a blue French on the tip of that nail. And yes, I did do the face of the cat more so with the pink. It brought out even more so. As you see me putting on a nice thick glossy top coat on every single nail, looking good. There are my nails, nice and done. Mew mew to some of the cutenesses of it all. These crazy fun nails I do so myself, and I just couldn't resist wearing my cat jumper. Yes, my cat sweater. This new one I got from a used clothing store. I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna wear it. I have to wear it. Oh yes, oh yes. So this is how I decided to wear it. And I brought in my awesome pants that are so flowy. They're ridiculous. See? Oh my gosh, I love them. Feeling so fun. Vest and everything. To the mew mew of it all and much more mew mew of it all. And maybe unicorn feelings. So with all that, till it all.